friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Curriculum Minds, a channel where you can gain knowledge. My name is Abisha. I study in Community School, grade 6. In this video, I'll be telling you about abiotic components. Let us know about what are abiotic components. The word abiotic. In that word, a means without and biotic means life. This means they are non-living things, the things without life. For example, light, air, water, soil, and temperature. Even though these components are themselves non-living things, they still have an effect on the living organisms too. That is, the biotic components of the environment. First of all, coming towards the light. Light. It is very important for all of us to see. If there would be no light, how would we be able to see things? Plants use light to prepare their own food. If light wasn't available, plants would not make food. And how would we survive without food? The growth of plants and flowering also depends on the availability and the duration of exposure of light. For example, kharif crops such as maize and cotton flourish in summer because the day is long and so there will be more light. Next, coming towards the temperature. Temperature is something that tells us a measure about how cold or how hot something is. The Earth is the only known planet that has a temperature that is suitable for living organisms to live. Even on the Earth, the temperature is not uniform all around. It is very hot near the equator, and whereas the places which are far away from the equator, those are at the poles, are very cold. Temperature affects the distribution of plants and animals around the planet. Animals whose body temperature changes with the outside temperature are called as the cold-blooded animals. Most reptiles, insects, and amphibians are cold-blooded animals. Animals, but animals whose body temperature does not change with the outside temperature are called as the warm-blooded animals. Most mammals and birds are warm-blooded. Our human beings are also warm-blooded. Warm-blooded animals can survive in areas like the deserts and the Arctic regions, which have extreme temperatures. Here, the cold-blooded animals would find it difficult to survive because as they observe the outside temperature in the deserts, for example, it would be too hot, so they can suffer, as well as in the Arctic region. Polar bear is adapted to survive in the harsh temperatures of Arctic.